Subject Physical Education for class 12th, Unit 7, Physiology and Injuries in Sports, Part 1. In this unit or in Part 1, we are trying to focus on the topic prevention from sports injuries. In this topic, we will try to know about the prevention from the sports injuries easily. Number one, proper warming up. Through the proper warming up before the work or activity of the games and sports, the muscles are get ready to take the workload or stress while the sports or games activity. That's why proper warming up is must for the prevention from sports injuries. Next one, medical checkup before activity. Before performing any activity or games or sports, the medical checkup should be there, because before the activity of games and sports we should know we are physically or mentally fit or not to participate or to take part in the games or sports activity. Next one, proper concentration. While performing the games and sports we should have a proper concentration, otherwise we will not the performing sports activities well. So the proper concentration is must to the prevent sports injuries. Next one, safety guards and check equipments. Before to take part in the sports or games activity we should use the safety guards and check the equipments to the related games or sports activities that are properly or not. Then after that we should take part in that sports or games. Next one, regular conditioning and proper skill. To the related of the sports or games activity, we should perform the regular conditioning and we should learn the proper skills or techniques to improve their games or sports activities performance. So on the behalf of these points, we should prevent the sports injuries very easily. In next part also we are trying to focus on the prevention from sports injuries. Thank you.